for group data, we need to find the class center for the classes. So how do you find the class center? It's very easy. Class center equal the average of the numbers. Yeah, class center, CC, right? CC. No, this is new. Okay, CC for this is 5. Class center. Let's get the class center for the next. No, it's 1 to 9. 1 to 9. It's a hyphen, not minus. Okay, CC for the next one. Well, it's specifically used for the class, right? You have different classes. Each of the class you have a center. That's why it's called the class center. Okay, next one, what would you get for the next one if you use your calculator? 1 to 9 means all the numbers from 1 to 9. Yeah, includes 1 and 9, yes. 24.5, good. All right, very good. So how about the next one? See if you can work out without calculator. What's the next one? Done. Okay, so what we're going to do is, all right, so now we have this data which shows the hamburgers sold each hour by a 24-hour fast food store during the 50-hour period. So in 1 hour, 1 hamburger sold, and some hours 10 hamburgers sold. So we're going to put them in a frequency distribution table, but put them in classes. And the classes, these are the classes. So let's put them on 0 to 4, 0 to 4, 5 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 19, and 20 to 24. And we're going to do a tally. Well, it will take some effort, possibly, but maybe a shorter list. Okay, let's start. 1 belongs to this class. Does that make sense? 10 belongs to this class. 18 belongs to this class. You do tally, and you keep going. 14 years, this one. 20 years, this one. 11 years, this. 19, 10, 17. So you keep going until you finish. 21, and 5, 16. Okay, continuing. 7, 15. 21. Okay. All right. After doing this, you have this. Let me see if it's correct. I'll check my answers. I got it incorrect, yes. Because I think this should be, is that right? Yeah. And then I think I should have a bit more tally. Should have 2 more, you're right. So you have that. Okay, good. Good, okay. So you can write down the frequency. So there's 3 tally, 7, and 15, 19, and 6. And they should add up to 50 because they are 50. So you must have got it wrong. 50. 50. Okay, let's correct this. Let me write it again. 3, 7, 15, 19, 6, and the total should be 50 because we recorded 50 hours. Now remember how to get the class center. We add them divided by 2, so the class center is 2, 7, 12, 17, 22, right? Now we're going to draw a graph. Let's draw a histogram. Okay, let's draw the histogram. What you need to draw is to put the class center on the x-axis. All right, okay, let's go back there. Yeah. All right, good. Okay, continuing. Class center, and you got the frequency here. Frequency. So what was the highest frequency? 20, isn't it? So you go up by 2. 24 is the highest? No, frequency. Yep. Okay, you got that? And then the class center is 2, 7, 12, 17, 22. Put the class center there. Note that I leave 2 gaps. 2 gaps between each number. Put the class center. And then put a heading for your graph. Hamburgers. Hang on. Over 50-hour period. I will.
Wait, what? That doesn't work.
Why doesn't?
How do you go from 0 to 2?
No, class center. You plot the class center.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah.
I can choose.
No, that's the frequency. Here, watch, frequency. Highest is 19. Frequency. That's the class center. Okay, let's start to draw the columns. Make sure you leave a gap. Half a centimeter gap. And after you leave a gap, you start to draw the column, the histogram. So the first one is 3. So you go 3. Notice that I put the class center in the middle. Right? 3. The next one is 7. Next one is 15. Next one is 17, 19. And then finally 6. This is the histogram. So once you drew the histogram, does it ask you to draw a polygon? Let's draw the polygon. Okay, what's a polygon? Yeah, let's draw polygon. So you start from 0, join to the middle of each column. Like that. This, of course, using a ruler. Okay, that's your polygon. All done. Make sure you put a heading. Over 50-hour period. Period. I didn't write clearly. Let me write it clearly. Let's continue. How many hours did the fast food store sell fewer than 10 hamburgers? Fewer than 10. If you look at this, these 2 classes, isn't it? Right? Fewer than 10 hamburgers will be 3 plus 7. 10 hours. Does that make sense? Fewer than 10 means 0 to 9. At least 15 hamburgers. 15 or more.
Sorry, the last one.
Last one.
The last column.
last column, 22, right? 6 hours.
Yeah.
6 hours.
How many did you?
Fewer than 10 hamburgers, right?
Oh, wait.
Fewer than 10.
Never mind.
Yeah, good. 25 hours. Does that make sense? Yes? Alright, you can start the exercise from the textbook. Because like there are 3 hours, there are between 0 and 4 hamburgers. 7 hours, between 5 to 9 hamburgers. Yes. No, not the number of hours. Oh, it is. That's the number of hamburgers sold each hour. Then there are 50 hours, 50 frequency. Yeah. Yep. Yes. Yes, you always have to go back down. Go from 0 back to 0. Yeah. Say again.